Elementary teachers, let's grow food gardens with your class in 2024. We talked about how growing a school garden with a club or with the community after hours as planting events, it doesn't even work. And I said the best way to do it is to do it during your class time. And to do that, you have to connect it to your curriculum. Now let's talk about that a little bit today. Gardening is about seeds, soil, water, sunlight, animals and insects, biodiversity, seasons, the earth, forests, trees, and so on and so forth. These are all science-related subjects. So you could potentially teach these subjects in the garden. There's a lot of math that you can teach using the garden as a tool. And we know that language can be taught with any subject. Gardening connects to community. It connects to social studies. For example, on the topic of seeds, you can bring up a lot of deeper concepts, especially if you're teaching older students, such as GMOs and seed sovereignty and seed saving. And I'm sure that as I am saying these suggestions, light bulbs are going on in your brain because you know your curriculum better and you can come up with 1,000,001 different ideas to teach your curriculum in the garden. So if you can do that, why on earth would you want to spend your time, extra time on clubs and after hours to grow a garden? You can grow a garden during your class with your students. You need nobody's permission. All you need is a sunny window somewhere in your school. You don't even need an outdoor garden space. This can be done all in your classroom. Now, is an outdoor garden space more exciting? Maybe it is, but it's also a lot more work. And don't get me wrong, I'm all for outdoor school gardens, but there's a method to doing it. After a decade of doing this, I've come up with a 2-phase plan to grow the most successful school gardens that are utilized for years to come. And I am teaching you that entire plan with all the practical details and handouts and everything in my free webinar called School Gardens with Ease 2024. Go grab your spot.